Vital Statistics, Unit 1. Life tables. Life table is a tabular representation of numerical data describing the mortality experience of a cohort. Some important definitions. Cohort. It is a group of individuals who are born at the same time and who experience the same mortality condition. Radix. It is the size of the cohort, generally 1 lakh. Longevity. It is the expected number of years that a newborn baby would live. Uses of life table. Life tables are used in life insurance companies to determine the rates of premium for policies of persons of different ages. It is used for the measurement of growth of population in the computation of net reproduction rate. It is used for estimating the future population. It is used by government and private organizations in planning healthcare, retirement age, educational program, etc. It is used for analyzing the effects of mortality on the age and sex composition of a population. Components of life table. A typical life table has the following components. Here, X indicates age of a person, that is X equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Lowercase lx indicates number of persons living at the age X, thus L0 is the radix. Lowercase dx indicates number of persons among Lx persons reaching age X who die before reaching age X plus 1. Dx equals to Lx minus Lx plus 1. Lowercase qx indicates the probability that a person of exact age X years will die before reaching the age X plus 1 years. It is called as mortality rate, nothing but qx equals to dx divided by lx. Lowercase px indicates the probability that a person of age x survives up to age x plus 1. It is called as survival ratio. Px equals to 1 minus qx. It is also denoted as 1 minus dx divided by lx equals to lx plus 1 divided by lx. Capital Lx indicates the number of years lived in the aggregate by the cohort of L0 persons between age x and x plus 1. Capital Lx equals to lowercase lx plus lowercase lx plus 1 divided by 2, nothing but lowercase lx minus dx by 2. Capital Tx indicates total number of years lived by the cohort after attaining age x. Tx equals to summation of Lx. Ex indicates expectation of life. Average number of years a person of age x can be expected to live under prevailing mortality conditions. Ex equals to capital Tx divided by lowercase lx. Let us understand this concept by doing some simple calculations. Here we can observe life table, nothing but mortality table. X indicates age of persons. Here Lx indicates number of persons living in that particular age. After conducting a survey, we observed that there are 20 members of age 0 and 16 members of age 1 and 10 members of age 2, 5 members of age 3 and 2 members of age 4 years. Here 0 years indicates age of newborn baby. Lowercase dx, as we learned earlier itself, number of persons of age x who die before reaching the age x plus 1, nothing but Lx minus Lx plus 1, nothing but L0 minus L1 is 20 minus 16, that is 4, 16 minus 10, that is 6, 10 minus 5, that is 5, 5 minus 2, that is 3. Hence, no further informations are given. Let us take it as blank only. Lowercase qx is probability that a person of age x will die. It is also called as mortality rate. Formula to do this is lowercase dx divided by lowercase lx. Therefore, d0 divided by L0, that is 4 by 20. Answer is 0.2. Similarly, 6 by 16 is 0.375, 5 by 10 is 0.5, 3 by 5 is 0.6 and next one as dash. Lowercase px is called as survival rate. It is nothing but reverse of mortality rate, that is 1 minus qx. 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8, 1 minus 0.375 is 0.625, 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5, 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4 and dash. Capital Lx is average number of persons living between the age x and x plus 1, nothing but 20 plus 16 divided by 2, that is 18. 16 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 13. 10 plus 5 divided by 2, that is 7.5. 5 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 3.5. Next, capital Tx is number of persons who is living above the age x, that is 18 plus 13 plus 7.5 plus 3.5, that is nothing but summation of capital Lx. We are getting answer 42. Similarly, 13 plus 7.5 plus 3.5 is 24. 7.5 plus 3.5 is 11. 3.5 as it is. Average number of years a person of age x is expected to live under the given mortality condition is considered as Ex. That is capital Tx divided by lowercase lx, nothing but 42 divided by 20, nothing but 2.1. Similarly, 24 divided by 16 is 1.5, 11 divided by 10 is 1.1, 3.5 divided by 5 is 0.7. Problems on life table. Example 1. In a life table, if L1 is 95,400 and L2 is 93,492, then find D1. Lx is L1, nothing but 95,400. Lx plus 1 is L2, that is 93,492, where dx is Lx minus Lx plus 1, nothing but d1 equals to L1 minus L2, nothing but 95,400 minus 93,492. Therefore, d1 is 1908. Example 2. In a life table, if L1 is 95,400 and d1 is 1908, then find mortality ratio and survival ratio. We know that mortality ratio is Qx, nothing but dx divided by Lx, nothing but Q1 equals to d1 divided by L1. After applying 1908 divided by 95,400, Q1 equals to 0.02. Survival ratio. It is reverse of mortality ratio. Survival ratio is indicated as Px equals to 1 minus Qx, that is P1 equals to 1 minus Q1, that is 1 minus 0.02, that is 0.98. Example 3. In a life table, if L1 is 95,400 and D1 is 1908, then find L1. We know the formula. Capital Lx is lowercase x minus dx divided by 2, nothing but capital L1 is lowercase L1 minus lowercase d1 by 2, nothing but 95,400 minus 1908 divided by 2, that is 95,400 minus 954. So, our answer is 94,446. Example 4. In a life table, if L0 is 1 lakh and capital T0 is 65 lakh years, then find longevity. We know that Ex equals to Tx divided by Lx, that is 65 lakh divided by 1 lakh, nothing but 65 years.